King Solomon, renowned for his extraordinary wealth and wisdom, ruled Israel around 970 to 931 BC. According to biblical accounts, he built the first temple in Jerusalem, amassed vast treasures, and authored several wisdom literatures. His reign is often celebrated for economic prosperity and diplomatic brilliance, attracting attention from all around the ancient world, including the famous visit from the Queen of Sheba. In today's fast-paced world, the principles of King Solomon hold secrets that can guide us toward immense wealth and profound wisdom. This video will explore 9 of Solomon's lesser-known strategies that you can apply to elevate your financial and intellectual life immediately. From prioritizing knowledge over direct monetary gain to diversifying income streams and protecting assets, each secret is a piece of a larger puzzle. By understanding and implementing these timeless truths, you'll discover how ancient wisdom can lead to modern prosperity, ensuring you not only grow richer but also wiser in your personal and professional life. The foundations of wealth and wisdom. When King David's reign neared its end, Solomon, his son, ascended to the throne amidst a tumultuous period of political intrigue and familial betrayal. After securing his kingship, Solomon sought divine guidance, not for wealth or the demise of his enemies, but for wisdom. In a vivid dream, God offered Solomon anything he desired, and Solomon chose an understanding heart to judge his people wisely. Pleased with this selfless request, God granted him not only unmatched wisdom, but also wealth and honor that no king before or after would rival. Secret 1. Prioritize wisdom over wealth. Solomon's first act as king, choosing wisdom over wealth, demonstrates his understanding that true wealth comes from the mind's power. His wisdom brought about peace and prosperity, showcasing that intellectual riches can lead to material success. In today's world, prioritizing wisdom involves continuous learning and personal development. Whether it's enhancing your financial literacy, pursuing advanced education, or seeking mentorship, knowledge is a catalyst for success. Investing in your intellectual growth often yields better long-term returns than immediate financial gains. For example, understanding market trends or learning new technologies can open up opportunities for higher earnings and more secure investments, mirroring Solomon's approach where his wisdom naturally attracted wealth and fostered a golden age of prosperity for Israel. Secret 2. Building strong alliances. Solomon's strategic marriages to foreign princesses and treaties with neighboring kingdoms significantly expanded Israel's influence and trade. These alliances were crucial for establishing Israel as a formidable power in the ancient world, leveraging diplomatic ties to stabilize and enrich his nation. Similarly, in the modern business landscape, building strong alliances can be transformative. Networking, strategic partnerships, and collaborative projects are today's equivalents of Solomon's treaties. For instance, tech startups often partner with larger firms to gain access to broader markets and resources, accelerating growth. By cultivating relationships and aligning with others whose strengths complement your weaknesses, you can create a synergistic effect that propels personal and business ventures forward. This strategy not only maximizes resource utilization, but also opens up new avenues for innovation and expansion, proving that who you know can be just as valuable as what you know. Strategies for wealth accumulation. Secret 3. Diversifying income sources. King Solomon did not rely solely on taxation. He expanded Israel's economy through trade, mining ventures, and agricultural developments. His control over key trade routes enabled a steady flow of gold, spices, and exotic goods, establishing a robust, diversified income base for the kingdom. Today's strategy. In contemporary terms, diversifying income sources means not putting all your financial eggs in one basket. This can be achieved through side hustles, investments in stocks, real estate, or starting a small business. For example, a professional could invest in rental properties, participate in the stock market, and maintain a day job. This approach not only spreads financial risk, but also increases potential income channels. Just as Solomon's variety of revenue streams stabilized his kingdom's economy against fluctuations, modern individuals can protect and enhance their financial stability through diverse and multiple income sources. Secret 4. Wise investments. Solomon invested in massive construction projects, including the temple in Jerusalem and his own palace, which not only showcased his wealth and power, but also employed thousands. stimulating the local economy and increasing his kingdom's wealth through increased labor and production. Current application. Wise investments today focus on areas with potential for high returns, such as technology, renewable energy, and healthcare. Like Solomon's infrastructure projects, investing in high-growth industries or startups can yield substantial long-term benefits. For individual investors, this might mean contributing to retirement accounts, buying index funds, or funding innovative tech companies through platforms like crowdfunding. These investments drive the modern economy and can build personal wealth over time, much as Solomon's projects enriched his realm. Secret 5. Leveraging resources. Solomon maximized the natural resources available to him, from Lebanon's cedar forests to Israel's mineral-rich lands. He transformed these resources into profitable enterprises, such as building materials for his construction projects and luxury goods for trade. Modern-day lesson. Today, leveraging resources could mean using existing skills, knowledge, or position to generate additional income. For instance, a software developer could create apps in their spare time, or a teacher might offer online courses or tutoring. Additionally, utilizing local or inherently possessed assets, like a spare room for Airbnb or a personal blog for affiliate marketing, can transform underused resources into revenue streams. This strategy aligns with Solomon's use of national resources, demonstrating that effectively harnessing what you already have can significantly augment financial standing and entrepreneurial success, maintaining wealth and expanding influence. Secret 6. Effective governance. Solomon established a structured government with officials dedicated to different roles. From provision suppliers to temple maintenance, this efficient administration not only maintained order, but also optimized resource allocation, ensuring sustainable growth and stability across his kingdom. In the modern context, effective governance translates to meticulous financial management and strategic planning. Individuals can apply this principle by creating detailed budgets, setting financial goals, and regularly monitoring their investments. For businesses, it means establishing clear policies, investing in competent leadership, and ensuring transparent, accountable processes. Like Solomon's administrative structure, effective personal and corporate governance helps in mitigating risks, maximizing efficiency, and ensuring the longevity of wealth. This approach fosters a stable environment conducive to growth, mirroring the prosperity seen during Solomon's rule. Secret 7. Innovation and adaptation. Solomon was renowned for his innovative projects like the Temple of Jerusalem, incorporating advanced engineering and imported materials. His ability to adopt foreign techniques and styles showcased his openness to innovation, which significantly enhanced his reputation and the prestige of his empire. Contemporary relevance. Today, innovation and adaptation are vital in a rapidly changing global economy. For individuals and businesses, this means embracing new technologies, continually updating skills, and being open to transformative business models. For example, adapting to remote work technologies or integrating AI solutions into business operations can lead to significant competitive advantages. Like Solomon, who utilized the best available resources and knowledge, modern enterprises and professionals must adapt to survive and thrive, using innovation as a tool to navigate and lead in their respective fields. Secret 8. Protecting assets. Ancient strategy. To protect his wealth and ensure the security of his realm, Solomon built fortified cities along trade routes and borders. These strongholds safeguarded against invasions and loss of economic control, securing the prosperity and stability of his kingdom. Modern tactics. In contemporary terms, protecting assets involves a combination of insurance, legal safeguards, cybersecurity measures, and diversification. Individuals should use insurance to protect valuable assets and estate planning to safeguard wealth for future generations. Businesses must invest in cybersecurity to defend against digital theft and ensure compliance with regulations to avoid legal repercussions. By diversifying investments, both entities and individuals can protect themselves from market volatility. These modern strategies reflect Solomon's approach to securing his assets, emphasizing the importance of proactive protection to maintain and grow wealth. The wisdom of living well. Secret 9. Balance and contentment. King Solomon, despite his immense wealth and power, reflected deeply on life's meaning, famously penning the insights found in the book of Ecclesiastes. He concluded that without balance and contentment, even great wealth and achievements feel meaningless. Solomon emphasized the importance of enjoying life's simple pleasures and finding satisfaction in one's work, recognizing that true happiness comes not from external abundance, but from inner fulfillment. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to become ensnared in the endless pursuit of more money, more success, more possessions. However, Solomon's wisdom teaches us the value of work-life balance and finding joy in the everyday. This can be practiced by setting aside time for family, hobbies, and self-care, and by fostering an attitude of gratitude for what we already have. Embracing contentment doesn't mean abandoning ambition. Rather, it involves appreciating the present while working towards the future. This balanced approach not only enhances our personal well-being, but also makes our professional endeavors more sustainable and rewarding. Each of these principles, rooted in ancient wisdom, can significantly enhance both your financial status and personal satisfaction today. Start integrating these timeless strategies into your life now. Choose one secret to focus on this week and take practical steps to apply Solomon's wisdom. Comment below which secret you'll try first and any thoughts or questions you might have as you embark on this journey. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on expanding your wealth with proven, impactful strategies.